original product, final product, and bone dry material. So we have a formula of x1 is equal to 0.60 over 0.40, which is equals to 1.5 pounds water per pound. And water final product per pound of solid is x2 is equals to 0.05 over 0.95 is equals to 0.0526 pound water per pound. And for 0.4 pounds of solid, we have a WR is equals to 0.40 times 1.5 minus 0.0526, which is equals to 0.579 pounds. So for our solid gas